This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering off and clearing the display area so you can see the defect clearly. Once done, wipe the screen gently with a microfiber cloth to remove surface dirt. Make sure to note whether the black spot moves when you press around it or stays fixed. This tells you if it's dust, a dead pixel, or an internal pressure mark. Now, set brightness to max and prepare a cotton swab and isopropyl for the next step. You'll run a solid color pixel test, so stuck pixels are obvious. Cycle colors slowly to observe changes. If the spot shifts with pressure, apply brief light pressure with a rounded plastic tool through a microfiber cloth. This can reseat liquid crystals. If the area is greasy or under glass dirt, lightly dampen a swab with isopropyl and rub small circles along the edge. Make sure to avoid excess liquid and never press firmly. These methods cover the common mid-stage fixes. Finish by running a pixel fixer program for 10 to 30 minutes if the spot is a stuck pixel. This cycles colors rapidly to revive stuck subpixels. Once done, recheck at normal brightness and test different images to confirm. If the black spot remains unchanged or grows, it's likely internal damage. Stop DIY attempts and contact the manufacturer or a repair shop for screen replacement. One troubleshooting tip: if the spot flickers or spreads, power off immediately to prevent further panel damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.